place I couldn't find. I feel the pull beneath the sea. No one remains, just only me. I lose the holes inside my mind, a hidden place I couldn't find. I feel the pull beneath the sea. No one remains, just only me. I lose the
سيماهم في وجوههم من أثر السجود ذلك مثلهم في التوراة ومثلهم في الإنجيل كزرع أخرج شطأه فآزره فاستغلظ فاستوى على سوقه يعجب الزراع ليغيظ بهم الكفار وعد الله الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات منهم مغفرة وأجرا عظيما. صدق الله العلي العظيم.
Most respected chief guest of the day, the esteemed principal of KPK Mangalore, Professor Harisha Shetty, our guest of honor, Mr. Sharfuddin PK, Assistant General Manager, Campus, PA Educational Trust, Mr. Harris T, Purchase Manager, PA Educational Trust, the esteemed principal of PA College of Physiotherapy, Dr. Afifa Sabeen, esteemed principal, vice principal of PA College of Engineering, Dr. Sharmila Kumari, dynamic vice principal, dynamic principal of PA Polytechnic, Professor Ismail Khan, senior event coordinator of PA Polytechnic, Professor Sandeep Suwarna, annual day coordinator, Mr. Arfas, respected heads of various departments, physical director of PA Educational Trust, vibrant spirit of PA Polytechnic. Today is more than a day of celebration. It is a grand festival of unity and harmony, a day where achievements are honored, aspirations are rekindled, dreams are ignited, and togetherness is cherished. At the very outset, it is my distinct honor and privilege to extend our most respectful and heartfelt welcome to our most distinguished chief guest, Professor Harisha Shetty, the esteemed principal of Karnataka Polytechnic Mangalore, a true luminary in the field of technical education. Under his visionary leadership, Karnataka Government Polytechnic has achieved the historic distinction of emerging as India's first autonomous government polytechnic, setting a national benchmark for academic excellence. Professor Harish Shetty is more than a leader, he is an innovator, creator, and the master architect of our BT Links, the digital backbone of the Karnataka Diploma Examination System. BT Links has revolutionized the entire examination process, immensely benefiting all the diploma institutions and students of Karnataka. Sir, you in every sense, you are the pride of Namma Kudla, and you are a true source of inspiration that ignites the dreams of every aspiring student and every educator gathered here today. We are deeply grateful that despite your demanding schedule, you are here today with us to grace our annual day celebration. Thank you very much.
In PK, AGM campus, to present a sapling and cordially welcome our today's esteemed chief guest, Dr. Harisha Shetty, Principal, Karnataka Government Polytechnic, to the program.
Let us join our hands together to greet our esteemed chief guest of the day, Professor Harisha Shetty, with a thunderous round of applause. Thank you, sir. We are truly delighted to have with us on the dais Mr. Sharfuddin PK, Assistant General Manager, Campus, PA Educational Trust. Sir, your constant guidance, continued support, and wholehearted cooperation has been a pillar of strength of our institution. We are truly honored by your gracious presence. On behalf of the entire PA Polytechnic family, I extend my most cordial welcome to you, sir.
May I invite Mr. Aristide, Purchase Manager, to present a sapling and extend a warm welcome to Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM Campus. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We are very pleased to have with us on the dais Mr. Harris TD, Purchase Manager, PA Educational Trust. We sincerely appreciate your gracious presence with us today. On behalf of our institution, I extend the most cordial welcome to you, sir.
May I now invite Professor Ismail Khan, esteemed Principal of PA Polytechnic, to present a sapling and extend a warm welcome to Mr. Haris TD, Purchase Office Manager. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I have the honor of welcoming Dr. Afifa Salim, Principal of PA Institute of Physiotherapy. Ma'am, your presence today has strengthened our inter-institutional bonding. I extend our gracious welcome to you, ma'am.
May I now invite Professor Ali Ashraf, HOD of Civil Department, to kindly present a sapling to Dr. Afifa Salim, Principal, PA Institute of Physiotherapy. A warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I extend our most gracious and heartfelt welcome to the esteemed Vice Principal of PA College of Engineering, Dr. Sharmila Kumari. Ma'am, we are truly honored by your gracious presence. Your presence reflects the spirit of unity that binds the PAET family together. Thank you for your presence. A warm welcome to you, ma'am.
May I invite Professor Juwairia, Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, to present a sapling to Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal of PA College of Engineering. A warm...
Yes, put your hands together for a warm welcome. Thank you. It is my proud privilege. Thank you, ma'am. It is my proud privilege to welcome our dynamic principal of PA Polytechnic, Professor Ismail Khan. Sir, your guidance and leadership continue to steer this institution to the path of excellence. A warm welcome to you, sir.
May I now invite Professor Tejasvi Martha, Head of the Department of Basic Science, to present a sapling and extend a warm welcome to Professor Ismail Khan, esteemed Principal of PA Polytechnic. A warm welcome to you, sir.
It is with great appreciation I extend a special welcome to Professor Sandeep Suvarna, Event Coordinator of PA Polytechnic, Silviora Event Coordinator, the driving force behind the outreach programs and many events organized as part of PA Silviora. A warm welcome to you, sir.
May I now invite Professor Prashant SP, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, to present a sapling to Professor Sandeep, PA Silviora Event Coordinator.
Just join your hands for a huge round of applause. I also warmly welcome Mr. Arfaraz, the main coordinator of VIBRANZA 2k26, whose enthusiasm and meticulous coordination has brought life into this celebration. And he is the youngest member on the dais. A warm welcome to you, sir.
May I now invite Professor Ranjita D, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to present a sapling and extend a warm welcome to Professor Arfaz.
Yes, join your hands for a huge round of applause. Come on, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I extend my cordial greetings to all the distinguished invitees. A special welcome to our Physical Director of PA Educational Trust, Dr. Iqbal, Vice Principals, heads of various departments, faculty members, staff and media representatives. Your presence adds more value and grace to this occasion. Now to our most incredible, talented and vibrant students of PA Polytechnic. You are the heartbeat of our institution, our pride, our inspiration and our greatest hope for a promising tomorrow. You are the light in this campus, the shining stars of this day, and your success will be the true reason behind our smiles. I extend a cheerful and a very special welcome to all my dear and loving students of PA Polytechnic. Remember, this is your day, your festival, and your moment to shine. It is your presence, your energy, and your spirit that will make this VIBRANZA 2k26 truly grand, meaningful, and memorable. So on behalf of all gathered here, I extend a cheerful welcome to all my energetic, enthusiastic and loving students of PA Polytechnic. You need a big round of applause. Thank you. Our Honorable Managing Trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, is unable to be here with us in person today due to his prior commitments. However, his goodwill and thoughts surely remains as the center stage of this gathering. On this meaningful occasion, it is our sacred duty. So let us take a moment to remember with deep respect our founder chairman, the late Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji, who has laid a strong foundation of the PA Educational Trust, an educational ecosystem deeply rooted in values, integrity, and ethical principles. His legacy continues to guide us and illuminate a path towards excellence. May the Almighty grant him the highest place, the highest rank in Jannah. As we celebrate our annual day, VIBRANZA 2k26, let it stand as a symbol of a harmony and unbreakable unity. May this celebration inspire us to work together as one family and to serve with humility. Once again, I extend my most heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. Thank you for gracing this occasion with us, with your esteemed presence. Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your warm and inspiring words of welcome. It gives me great pleasure to extend a warm welcome and cordial welcome to our respected Vice Principal, Professor Ajit Kumar Vasu, whose dynamic leadership, administrative excellence, and constant encouragement play a vital role in the smooth functioning and steady growth of our institution. May I now invite Professor Sandeep, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, to present a sapling to our respected Vice Principal, Professor Ajit Kumar Vasu. A round of applause and welcome him. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Story of dedication and teamwork. To present the highlights and accomplishments of the academic year, I now invite Professor Ismail Khan, esteemed Principal of PA Polytechnic, to present the annual report of our institution.
Respected today's chief guest, Professor Harisha Shetty, the Principal of Karnataka Polytechnic, Mangalore, Mr. Sharfuddin PK, the AGM of PAET campus, Mr. Hari sir, the Purchase Manager, PAET, Dr. Sharmila Kumari, the Vice Principal of PA College of Engineering, Dr. Salim Afifa, the Principal of PA College of Physiotherapy, and the Vice Principal of PA Polytechnic, Professor Ajit Kumar Vasu, and the Coordinator, Mr. Sandeep, and Mr. Arfaz, and my loving students. First of all, I'll congratulate you for your VIBRANZA 2k26, who are going to make today the feast of PA Polytechnic in the PACE auditorium. Congratulations to one and all. I'm happy to share with you the annual report of PA Polytechnic for the academic year 25-26, where we have enjoyed the whole year in academic condition and also in all the curriculum and extra curriculum, and also the major part that has been conducted on the banner of the Silviora. So congratulations to one and all gathering here. Respected Managing Trustee of the PA Group of Institutions, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Distinguished Chief Guest, Professor Harisha Shetty, Principal, Karnataka Polytechnic, Mangaluru, Honorable Chief Guest, the Guest of Honor, Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM Campus PAET, Mr. Harris TD, Purchase Manager PAET, Dr. Ramiz MK, the Principal of PA College of Engineering, Dr. Salimullah Khan, the Principal of PA College of Pharmacy, Dr. Dr. Afifa Salim, the Principal of PA College of Physiotherapy, Dr. Syed Amin, Director CMSR and Dean Student Welfare, Professor Ajit Kumar Vasu, the Vice Principal of PA Polytechnic, Mr. Arfaz, Main Coordinator of the today's gathering, and Mr. Sandeep, Sub-Coordinator of the today's gathering, respected members of the Management and Governing Council, esteemed invitees, members of the media, my dear colleagues, teaching and non-teaching staff, and beloved students, a warm greetings to you all. It is with immense pride and satisfaction that I present the annual report of PA Polytechnic Mangaluru for the academic year 25 and 26. This report stands a reflection of our shared vision, collective effort, and unwavering commitment to academic excellence and holistic development. PA Polytechnic was established in the year 2006 under the aegis of PA Educational Trust, founded by our revered chairman, late Dr. P. A. Ibrahim Haji, a visionary educationist who believed that the education is the most powerful weapon in the society. His noble vision was to create an institution that would provide quality technical education blended with strong moral values, discipline, and the sense of social responsibility. PA Polytechnic has grown into a respected center of technical learning and professional excellence. The academic year 2025-26 marks as a proud milestone as the institution completes 20 glorious years of dedicated service in the shaping skilled diploma engineers. Over the past 2 decades, our alumni have established themselves across the various industries in the India and also around the India abroad. When you come to the academic programs, generally we are having 5 programs, that is mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and the computer science engineering. When you come to intake of the respective branches, mechanical is having 120 intake, whereas the civil engineering is having 120 intake, whereas the rest of all the 3 branches, that is computer science and engineering, electrical and electronics and communication, will have the 60 intake each branch. The admissions were conducted as per the government norms directed from the Director of Technical Education, Bangalore. Regarding the faculty and staff, our institution is strengthened by highly qualified, experienced and committed faculty and non-teaching staff who strive to impart not only technical knowledge but also discipline, ethics and professionalism. When you come to library status, library continues to be a vibrant center of learning center with 8,591 volumes, 1.423 titles, 1.423 thousands titles worth of rupees 18,57,529, 75 journals, technical journals, 10 magazines and 6 newspapers. It serves a gateway to knowledge, research and intellectual growth. When you come to this scholarship of PA Polytechnic, almost 350 students have applied for SSP, that is State Scholarship Portal, with 50 students who have applied for the NSP, that is National Scholarship Portal. So when you come to departmental achievements and activities, from mechanical engineering, session have conducted on 3D modeling by Mr. Pramit, GTTC Mangalore, technical insights by Dr. Prashant Pai, HOD Mechanical Engineering from the PA College of Engineering, seminar on composite materials by Dr. Shahbaz, the Assistant Professor of PA College of Engineering from Mechanical Engineering Department, communication skills session by Dr. Syed Amin, faculty members Professor Prashant and Professor Sandeep have registered their PhD in MIT Manipal. Students participated actively in district level competitions. The department continues to nurture technically competent and socially responsible engineers. Now, if you come to civil engineering branch, the technical seminar have conducted on soil testing by Mr. Manish Shetty, PWD engineer, then talk on life of civil engineer by G.R. Vijay Kumar. Awareness session have given on youth mental health by Dr. Aisha LV. Site visit to the Mani Ulal Highway project, internships arranged in the reputed construction firms. So these initiatives strengthen professional readiness and practical understanding. So if you come to computer science branch, so computer science branch is the innovative branch nowadays, which is shining like anything. So personality development session was developed by Dr. Syed Amin, ergonomics awareness by Dr. Afifa Salim, seminar on AI biometric by Dr. Sharmila Kumari, IEEE session on IoT applications, that is Internet of Things applications, hands-on workshop by Mr. Riza. Students gained exposure to emerging technologies and innovation practice. So when you come to electrical branch, the electrical branch is headed by our Vice Principal, Professor Ajit Kumar Vasu, that conducted technical talk on this electrical field, that is AI, ML and PACE by Professor Nazrina, the Assistant Professor from PA College of Engineering. Yoga session by Srimati G. Devika Purushottam, promoting wellness. Industrial visits to Konaje Substation, Veena Electricals, Deccan Plast, Solar Installation and Mangalore Pipe Industries. These are the places electrical department have visited as industrial visit and conducted many visits to have a good knowledge on each and every student. So student Abdul Khader Shazil represented Kerala State Volleyball Championship from Electrical Engineering Department. So if you come to electronics and communication, which is headed by Professor Zuveria, so IoT lecture have given by Professor Vidya, PA College of Engineering, from ENC department, personality development session by alumnus Mr. Jason Dias, innovate student projects earn recognition, industrial visits to Parivartana EV, other services, etc., etc. Student Mohammad Afan excelled in sports day in competitions. So if you come to placement achievements, almost 35 to 37 students have placed last year in MNC companies like Mahindra, Aerostructures, Toyota Kirloskar, Tata Electronics, Jindal Steelworks, and Wipro. For the above 5 MNC companies, almost 37 students have placed from the Polytechnic from all the branches. So congratulations to all gained students. Now, if you come to alumni achievements, Mr. Absar Patil and Ranjit, who have taken the examination in BMRCL and KPTCL, in both the exams they have cleared with grand success, and today they are working as a junior engineer in government department from MESCOM company. So congratulations to both the alumni who have taken the graduation from our esteemed PA Polytechnic. Then if you come to sports and games, so the annual sports meet Silviora Sprints 2026 held on 22nd. 2022 was a vibrant celebration of energy, enthusiasm and sportsmanship. The event was graced by Mr. Francis Maxime Moras, Deputy Chief Warden, as the chief guest, who inspired students to embrace discipline, teamwork through the sports. A wide range of events including volleyball, football, cricket, kabaddi, throwball and shuttle badminton witnessed spirited participation from students, reflecting not only their physical abilities and also their determination, coordination and competitive spirit. In addition, the staff sports meet was recognized the staff members, which was organized, and a sense of togetherness among the faculty members, strengthening the bond beyond the classrooms and offices. Adding to this pride of the institution, Muhammad Shahad of second semester Computer Science secured third place in the PACE, Silviora, anti-drug awareness and etc. will be conducting. So if you come to NSS unit, the National Service Scheme unit of PA Educational Trust continued to uphold the motto, not me but you, fostering a spirit of selfless service and social responsibility among the students under the dedicated guidance of Program Officer Mr. Professor Sandeep Suvarna and Mrs. Sushma. Congratulations to both the coordinators who have taken the NSS in a top position. So organized and participated in many programs, initiatives aimed to community welfare and character building. So major activities which have done, so anti-drug awareness, plantation and cleanliness drive, then Karnataka Rajyotsava celebrations, then bus stop beautification at Nadupadavu. Now if you come to PACE Silveria programs, the celebration of talent, creativity and social responsibility, the PACE Silveria program at PA Polytechnic were conducted on 25 years of excellence on the PACE group, was organized under the banner of Silviora and coordinated by Mr. Sandeep. A rich array of 17 competitions fostered innovation, teamwork and confidence, transforming the campus into lively center of artistic expression. Social outreach initiative taken from the PA Polytechnic is number 1, bus stop beautification drive, community cleanliness campaign, a visit to old age home, PACE Silviora beautifully blended education, culture and compassion to strengthening our spirit. So orientation day program The Orientation Day program marked a warm and inspiring welcome to newly admitted students, inducting them into the academic culture of PA Polytechnic. The program was graced by the chief guest, Dr. Sarfaraz J. Hashim, the principal of PA First Grade College, who addressed the students with motivating words. Now, if you come to graduation day ceremony, the graduation ceremony of 22 to 25 was held on 30 July 25 at the Pace Auditorium under the gracious patronage of Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, the Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust. The occasion was honored by the presence of Chief Guest Dr. M. Mohan Alva, Chairman Alva Education Foundation, along with other dignitaries in the dais. In his inspiring address, Dr. Alva encouraged the graduates to embrace the innovation, uphold the ethical values, and cultivate the spirit of lifelong learning. So, acknowledgement, finally, with gratitude, we remember our beloved founder chairman, late Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji, whose noble vision, values, and unwavering commitment to education continue to illuminate our path. The institution stands today as a living tribute to his dream of empowering young minds through knowledge, discipline, and service to humanity. We express our heartfelt thanks to Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee, for his continuous encouragement, visionary leadership, and support in guiding in the institution towards excellence. We also extend a sincere appreciation to the trustees of PA Educational Trust for their continued trust and commitment to our growth. Our deep gratitude goes to our esteemed chief guest, Professor Harisha Shetty, the principal of Karnataka Polytechnic, Mangaluru, distinguished dignitaries, well-wishers, faculty members, non-teaching staff, students, parents, and stakeholders whose collective effort, dedication, and belief in the institution have made this year's achievement possible. Now, if you come to the conclusion point, the academic year 2025-26 stands as a shining testimony to dedication, teamwork, and progress. PA Polytechnic continues to mold young minds into skilled professionals, responsible citizens, and ethical leaders. With renewed determination, let us move forward together towards greater excellence and service to society. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
And accomplishments of the academic year. It is now time for a special moment, the unveiling of our institution's newsletter, Synergy 2026, which showcases the creative and academic excellence of our students and staff. A Synergy 2026 is not just a publication, it is a vibrant reflection of creativity, innovation, achievements, and the collective spirit of our institution. It captures the voices, talents, and milestones that define who we are. May I respectfully request our chief guest, Professor Harisha Shetty, and our honorable guest of honor, Mr. Sharafuddin PK, to kindly proceed with the unveiling of Synergy 2026. This moment truly reflects the creativity, dedication, and collective spirit of PA Polytechnic. Thank you for graciously unveiling Synergy 2026. I request everyone to give a big round of applause. Thank you. To formally introduce our chief guest and highlight his remarkable journey and contribution to technical education, I now invite Professor Tejaswi Martha, Head of the Department of Basic Science, to kindly introduce our honored chief guest, Professor Harisha Shetty.
Good morning, everyone. Excellence, discipline, and visionary leadership define the remarkable journey of Sri Harisha Shetty, our esteemed chief guest for this annual day celebration. Hailing from Kulur, Mangalore, Sri Harisha Shetty exhibited brilliance from his early years. As school pupil leader and best outgoing student of Kulur Church School, he demonstrated leadership, discipline, and academic excellence from an early stage. His pursuit of higher education at St. Aloysius College further showcased his dedication and discipline. As an NSS cadet, he earned B and C certificates and was honored as Best Cadet, rose to the rank of Cadet Warrant Officer, and trained as a glider pilot, reflecting his courage and commitment to the service. He completed his Bachelor of Engineering from SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, and was selected for the Indian Air Force as a pilot officer during his final year, which is a milestone that speaks volumes about his determination and leadership potential. He later strengthened his academic credentials with an M.Tech from Manipal Institute of Technology and a master degree in psychology from Indira Gandhi National Open University, Bangalore. Since 1991, Sri Harisha Shetty has been serving in the Department of Technical Education, beginning as a lecturer at Women's Polytechnic, Bondil, Mangalore. Currently, he serves as principal of KPT Mangalore and is a BOS member of All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. Beyond academics, he is an software architect and data analyst who has developed Karnataka Government Diploma Examination Software and contributed to Mangalore University Examination Software. As a consultant to over 20 global software companies, he bridges the worlds of education and technology with expertise and innovation. He is also a trained yoga instructor, embodying balance in both professional and personal life. A dedicated mentor, inspiring leader, and lifelong learner, Sri Harisha Shetty stands as a beacon of knowledge and integrity and service. Dear students, Harisha Shetty is a mastermind behind the Diploma Board Examination software that manages all diploma examinations and results. It's truly an honor for our students to welcome the person who developed the system that shapes their academic journey. Thank you.
Say good morning. The name given is vibrant, but I don't see any vibrant faces here in the students. Why, I don't know. Anyhow, it is a great function. I'm really honored to be a part of this. So all the dear respected principal, all the faculty members, management, visionary people behind this great college, parents and my dear students. After coming here, I saw first time I'm coming to this campus. I think now I say that I missed something. I would have come long before. To be frank, I'm taking a lot of things from here now after seeing. That is how the great Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji, such a visionary person, built this campus with a great vision. Really, I think I have to bow down to his feet. Because the people who dedicate to this society, we have to remember them. Next, coming to I don't speak much or more than 8 minutes, to be frank, because I know very well, because this is not the time you people to hear. But I want to tell something regarding some words like Because while the principal calling here, he told that I had to inspire the student. Actually, speaking, inspiration is like a short-term not goal, it is short-term things like. But instead of that, if you realize the things, you can achieve greater things. For that purpose, I will tell you something. If I ask one question, this question I always ask to the student in the first year. Why you have come to this, I used to ask in my college, but here also I will ask same question. Why you people come over here? What is the, why? Why you to the diploma or whatever it may be? So I think everybody will ask, everybody will tell because certificate, job and all those things. I think that is a very small thing, certificate, job and all those things. Anyhow, you will get it, no problem at all. But what you are going to do with that certificate or that degree or diploma, whatever you have, a job, that's all. But remember one thing, I always say my student, either sell your idea or sell your product or get sold yourself. Do you want to get sold yourself in this industrial revolutionary things? Instead of that, why can't you start your own company or your own idea, your own product? There is a great opportunity you have now. Of course, during our time, we didn't had that much privileges or that much opportunity, I can say. But now, why you people? Why can't? The main reason behind this is you are not understanding the purpose, I think so. The purpose, I mean, you say, the parents or the objective while sending you to this college, they say that, sorry, they say that you have to complete the diploma. But again I told, why you have to complete the diploma? Just for the job? So instead of that, keep very high values, very high goals or long term this one. And everybody says that, I mean, normally in my college they say that if you get the opportunity or if you get the seat in KPT, it is good. If you get the opportunity or seat in NITK, it is good. Or if it is get the seat in IIT, it is good. But I will tell you one thing. My own student, she is studied in Women's Polytechnic, Bondale, in the year 1998-2000. Now in US, under her, there are 5 IIT holders. Now can you think why she is there? It is not, I told only one girl. It is not one girl, there are so many girls like that. In US, now she is in US, under her, there are 5 IIT holders. So how she reached there? That is what purpose she kept. Just she has not completed, she has not done any MTech or anything like that, doctorate or anything, just mere diploma. But the way she worked for that, it is great. I mean, she showed, it is not a academic this one. That's why I always say that it is not the academic things, it is the extra things what you do. I mean, that passion behind that for what you learn. Normally, I will tell you the things like for, I say that automobile engineers, I always say that, they will learn everything at automobile. I asked, they say that 2-stroke engine, 4-stroke engine and all those things. I simply asked them, why don't you have 1-stroke engine? Now everybody say that, electrical engineering and all those things. So these are the things, these are the ideas behind you. Now you know very well. So now mobile technology and everything is there. The mobile, it is wirelessly coming. Why MESCOM is not sending electricity wirelessly to our house? What is the, why can't? If you think in this direction, then automatically you will go beyond the syllabus, you will go beyond the technology, then you will achieve something. Otherwise it is just a question and answer things, and you are answering some questions for the book syllabus, whatever it may be. Don't do that, I am telling. Just that is a mere, of course it is a gate pass, that's all, nothing else. Not to do anything extraordinary. So always question the answer, not answering the questions. So now normally I saw one advertisement in one small school. They written like this: this is the only school where student ask questions. So how nice it is. In all other schools, I think teachers ask questions. So that culture, if you cultivate, then I think nobody can stop you. So please, my students, remember one thing: knowledge without application is useless. If you apply that knowledge, then it is a great achievement. And if you convert that knowledge into product, then it is very much, your idea has to become a product and it has to serve the society. That is the only thing. It is not you have to serve to a company or to a this one and work for monthly salary and all those things. Come out with great ideas, then only we can think of PA college as a MIT. Not MIT means not I am telling you about MIT this one, I am telling you about MIT USA. That is the only technology college, Institute of California and all those things you know very well. I visited Australia, Germany, Knowledge City, Dubai, Singapore, everywhere. So first, I think last I came to PA college. That's why I told I missed a lot of things. So I don't see any differences, but it has got all the opportunity in this college, in the here also. But only the students are making use of that. What vision the visionary people has laid while laying the stone for it, they meant lot of things. But please students, don't come for the certificate. Go with the great ideas, show it in the world. Then you will give not only your respect or your things will give to your parents, to your college, to your home, to your village, to your town, to your state, country, everything. So hope in future there are a lot of people coming, lot of students coming with great ideas from PA College. I wish it will happen soon. Thank you very much for inviting me to this great occasion to become a part of this function, Vibrant. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Chief guest of the program, Mr. Harisha Shetty, Principal, Karnataka Polytechnic, Mangalore. Respected management representatives, Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM campus, PAET campus, Mr. Harris TD, Purchase Manager, beloved Principal of PA Polytechnic, Dr. Ismail Khan, Ajit Sir, Vice Principal, PA Polytechnic, and on the dais, my dear colleagues and students, very pleasant morning to all. This is unexpected invitation to address you all. I am happy to mention here our chief guest itself, a role model to you all. We are searching role models everywhere. So Mr. Harisha Shetty, he was a examiner in my diploma exam in final year ENC exam. As well as physically also he is busy. That's what just now I came to know. He was now current also he is a trainer, yoga trainer too. So now yoga made him to that is maintaining his physical strength too. That is physical as well as mental health. Students, dear students, we all are in this PAET campus. No discrimination in master degree, undergraduate or any other students, because we all are getting all opportunities in this campus. Because diploma students, they can participate in engineering college conducting events as well as the resource persons from engineering college and other paramedical colleges. They are coming and training new people. That is why this is a wonderful campus. Nowhere I would see like this. Even management, physiotherapy, pharmacy, first aid college, engineering college, polytechnic together. So we are doing excellent achievements that we could see from the reports as well as all our gathering we could see. Here I want to mention very important point. Our principal, as well as in various occasions, our institution principals mentioned our most respected, beloved chairman, late Dr. VIBRANZA 2k26 vision. So now I am not touching other parts because all they mentioned here, but I am happy to mention, I am proud and happy to mention one of his convictions, that is women empowerment through education. He started these institutions to give, yes, education to financially challenged people as well as, okay, so all category people in these institutions, especially those who are from rural area. For them it is very difficult to reach the different institutions, premier institutions. That is why he started as standard institutions. It is not less than any other premier institutions. So that time it was the number one private engineering college in this Mangalore section, Mangalore region. So that is why, so now very, especially in technical courses, our girls, that is women, they are hesitating to come forward. So that is why, so after starting these institutions, I have seen lot of girls as well as women, they are coming from rural quota as well as financially, they are not sound. They are coming to these institutions. The merit seat they are getting, the few are getting free seats. So in this institution. So that is the one of the great thing I observed. So people are telling, but implementing those plans that is done by our beloved chairman, as well as all of you know, most of the students know, but I want to mention because this is the motivation to all our employees here as well as the students too. This year, say in January, in the month of January, our management, that is PA institutions under PA group, that is PA group management, they have invited the employees from these institutions from PACE group, those who served more than 20 years, to Dubai, all expenses that is taken care by the PAT, our management itself, they honored in international level. Beauty of this honor, it is not only a higher level people, that is from all our colleagues, that is from attendant to principals and management representatives, they honored in international level stage, and so we all are given, so that is what we can say, honored with a gold coin of 8 gram. That also I have to mention, it is a not question of a gold coin, but it is an honor to all of us, and I am very happy to say, so I am a part of this PA group of institutions. Apart from this, I want to mention a few points. Our chief guest mentioned here, he was telling it is not inspiring, it is realizing. Every stage I used to tell, there are 3 categories of, one level I can say is research, or normally, as we are also learners students, it is not, we are in different level, and a teacher means also it is lifelong learning. When I see our chief guest, Harisha sir, he was from EC background, but he said his product is in completely computer science related. That means domain he changed. He used that technique in different domain, but now it is going in parallel. That is why he said, one category of people, what we do, we learn existing things, we try to improvise it. So one technology is available, we are applying the technology to some applications. That's what your project you are doing, right? So then we are satisfied with that. Okay, my project is over, my certificate I got, degree is over. Then we are searching job, or some are already got placed on campus also. That is one category. Second one, what they think, so they combine domains. For example, computer science and EC domain. He combined, and so that product is developed. That is little bit higher than just first level, right? So he can design and develop a better product than the first one, or a better achievement than the first one. Third one is, you learn whatever is in the syllabus, okay, then networking, you communicate with all domain people, you come out with your own solution, your own idea. That's what's mentioned here, right? You have heard about 2-stroke and 4-stroke engines. Why can't you go with, design 1-stroke engine? That is called breakthrough research. So you are thinking uniquely. So that we all are expecting our students to come out with these creative ideas. That is called breakthrough research. It is not breakthrough research, it is not big things, students. Look around the society, our environment, many problems are around us. Try to find solution. So try to use the technology, whatever you learned, and apply to that application. So that's what our sir mentioned here. I am just summarizing in other way. Today is your day. It is a wonderful day. Always we are expecting a college day, right? College day, so to celebrate. Students, nowadays I am observing participation is very less. My sincere request, this is the only one platform. So for you all, it is giving opportunity to exhibit your talents. So when you are exhibiting your talents, automatically your leadership quality also improve. Take ownership of that one. So leadership. So a coordinator I have seen, he was managing entire crowd. So that is the leadership quality. So one sense, like this, you are entertaining and participating in these events. That is the golden day of these 3 years students. Always you remember, because I remember when I polytechnic means my college day. College day, we were around 1,000 plus students, only 5 girls. See, even that 5 members, we participated all extracurricular, co-curricular activities there, extracurricular activities. That is our college day programs. Okay, once again, so I request all of you participate, utilize these opportunities, and I wish you all the best.
I am privileged to read the names for the prize winners of Best Outgoing Students. The Best Outgoing Student from the Department of Mechanical Engineering is Sawad Abdullah Kaniyur Abbas. I request Sawad Abdullah Kaniyur Abbas to come forward and receive the prize.
I now respectfully invite our esteemed Chief Guest, Professor Harisha Shetty, to kindly give away the prizes to our deserving winners.
Best Outgoing Student 2025 from the Department of Computer Science is Muhammad Sayyid. From the Department of Civil Engineering is Muhammad Shafan. From the Department of Electronics Communication is Sean Chris D'Souza. And from the Department of Electrical and Electronics is Manvi. Shifa. From TC, Sean Chris, and from Electrical and Electronics, Manvi. The next category is academic toppers. The first prize in the second year from the Department of Mechanical, Mohammad Shafiq. And the second prize goes to Yasir Hussain. From the Department of Computer Science, first prize goes to Mohammad Ashik. And second prize goes to Mohammad Anas Rahman. From the Department of Civil Engineering, the first prize goes to Sham Hof and second prize goes to Abdul Ashik. From the Department of Electronics Communication, the first prize goes to Razak Salahuddin and second prize goes to Sheikh Ahmad Afnan. From the Department of Electrical and Electronics, Umar Ali Shah, and second prize goes to Danush. From the final year, Mechanical Department, first prize goes to Prajwal.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Shafiq to give our recognizes.
And second prize goes to Sayyid Bishop. From the Department of Computer Science, first prize goes to Muhammad Sayyad. And second prize goes to Ritesh. From the Department of Civil Engineering, first prize goes to Fida Mariam CM. And second prize goes to Abdullah MS. From the Department of Electronics and Communication, first prize goes to Ankit and second prize goes to Akash. From the Department of Electrical and Electronics, first prize goes to Prevan D'Souza and second prize goes to Ankit Shetty.
Thank you, sir.
Moving on to the next prize, achievement holders in mathematics semester examination who have scored full marks. Muhammad Ashir, 4th semester mechanical.
May I now invite Mr. Haris TD to give away the prizes.
Muhammad Ashik, 4th semester computer science. Razak Salahuddin, 4th semester electrical and communication. The next category is Sports Individual Champions. For boys, Muhammad Afnan, 4th sem Electrical and Communication.
I request everyone to cheer them and give them a big round of applause.
For girls is Aisha Shibana, 2nd semester Computer Science Engineering. Now, let us take a moment to appreciate the creative mind behind all the photos and videos of all the events of Silviora, the person who captured and edited beautiful memories. I request Muhammad Shafiq to come forward and receive the award.
Mr. Muhammad Shafiq has rendered his service in capturing wonderful and beautiful moments through lens. He has captured 17 competitions and 2 meaningful events like old age home visit and social awareness program on cleaning the bus stand. Your hard work, commitment and creative vision are truly commendable. I request everyone to give him a big round of applause.
Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. As a mark of our gratitude and deep appreciation, we now move on to the felicitation of our respected Chief Guest, Professor Harisha Shetty. May I now invite our Honorable Guest of Honor, Mr. Sharfuddin PK, to kindly felicitate our Chief Guest, Professor Harisha Shetty, as a token of our respect and admiration. I also request all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly join in this felicitation. I request all the audience to cheer and give him a big round of applause. Assistant Professor in the Department of Basic Science, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good morning and warm pleasant to one and all. It is my proud privilege to propose the word of thanks on this grand occasion of Annual Day Celebration VIBRANZA 2026. I extend my sincere thanks to our esteemed Chief Guest, Professor Harisha Shetty, Principal KPT Mangalore, for graciously accepting our invitation and sharing his valuable time and insights with us. Your presence has truly elevated this celebration. Thank you, sir. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Honorable Managing Trustee, PA Educational Trust, in his absence for his constant guidance, encouragement, and unwavering support towards the growth and development of our institution. His vision continues to inspire us to achieve excellence. I extend my sincere gratitude to Mr. Sharafuddin PK, AGM Campus PAET, for his constant administrative support and valuable guidance to our institution. Thank you, sir. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal, PA College of Engineering, her inspiring leadership and encouragement towards the academic excellence. Thank you, ma'am. My sincere thanks to Dr. Afifa Salim, Principal, PA Institution of Physiotherapy, for her encouragement and active involvement in academic and student development initiative. Thank you, ma'am. I also extend my sincere thanks to our beloved Principal, Professor Ismail Khan, for his dynamic leadership and continuous motivation that guide us towards success. Thank you, sir. My heartfelt gratitude to Professor Ajit Kumar Vasu, Vice Principal, for his constant support and coordination in making this event a grand success. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my gratitude to the site office of PAET for efficiently managing the venue arrangements and ensuring everything was perfectly organized. Thank you. I would like to thank Mr. Harris TD, Manager, Purchase Department, PAET, for his guidance and support. Thank you, sir. Special thanks to our PD, Dr. Iqbal, for guiding and coordinating every segment of the program with dedication and precision. Thank you, sir. I also extend my gratitude to the media team for their excellent coverage and for showcasing the highlights of the celebration. Thank you. A big thank you to the photography team for capturing the memorable moments of this special occasion, which we will cherish for years to come. Thank you. I would like to express my deep gratitude to the Silviora event coordinator, Mr. Sandeep, for his tireless work for the completion of all events in a proper way. Thank you, sir. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the College Day coordinator, Mr. Arfaz, for meticulously planning and organizing this event and ensuring the smooth execution. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks to the Master of Ceremony, Ms. Aishat Shamima, for conducting today's program with confidence, clarity, and elegance, keeping the audience engaged throughout the program. Thank you, ma'am. A special word of thanks to all the faculty members, staff coordinators, non-teaching staff, organizing committee members, and student volunteers who work tirelessly behind the scenes to make VIBRANZA 2026 a memorable celebration. Last but not the least, I would thank our dear students, staffs, and well-wishers for your presence and encouragement. Thank you all.
Respect and pride for our nation. May I request everyone present here to please rise and join in singing the national anthem.
Before going to start this national anthem, I request all the students to welcome our principal, Dr. Sarfraz J. Hashim, to the dais. Please, sir, please. No, please, sir. No, please. Please welcome. Because of the tight schedule, the Sarfraz sir have reached a little late. Because of the academic conditions, sir have attended little late. But it is our privilege to invite on the dais. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And finally, my congratulations to all the committee heads and coordinators, head of the departments, loving students, each and every member of PAPT who made the today's gathering grand success. Thank you very much. And my request to all the students, have a lunch in PAPT between 1 to 2. Once again, I'm repeating you, have a lunch in PAPT between 1 to 2. And after that, the programs will be going to continue till 4:15. And I'm repeating, till 4:15, the programs will be going on. And 4:15, you have to make it stop. So thank you very much. Thank you one and all.
May I now invite Professor Arfaz, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, to present a to kindly rise and join in singing the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे